Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove oil stains from clothes. So you were eating your favourite food and a portion of it dropped on your top and you're like, oh no, what am I going to do with my white top? How am I going to get this out? Don't worry, that's what I'm here for. I'll show you exactly what to do. You'd like to know how we got from this? Then keep watching. So what I'm going to be using today is just a bar of soap, old bar of soap. It's not being used for anything else, so I'm going to use it to get rid of this oil stain. Alright, let's get into it. First I'll just wet the soap a little bit. Find the concentrated area. Literally, just rub the soap on it. Keep rubbing. These stains can be very stubborn to get out, but just keep going at it. Keep rubbing it in. You can see it's already getting lighter and lighter. Keep going at it. Recommended you do this before you put it in the washing machine, because if you put it direct into the washing machine with the stain as it is, once you wash it, bring it out the washing machine, that stain will still be there, bright as day. I've got a great washing machine hack video. If you'd like to check it out, I'll link it in the description box below, and you see how you get on with that one too. You have to keep scrubbing it as it gets lighter and lighter. I don't know if you can see it. It's around this area here. It's getting lighter and lighter. Keep scrubbing until it completely disappears. And once it completely disappears, we'll put it back in the washing machine on a hot wash, and you'll see it will come out as good as new. I'm done scrubbing now. Let's just rinse it off and let me show you what it looks like before I put it into the washing machine. This is what it looks like after all my scrubbing. You can see it's absolutely clean. You can see that there's no marks, no stain anywhere. As it's been washed in the sink, I'll still put it in the washing machine on a hot wash, and then I'll show it to you again what it looks like after it's been out of the washing machine. Washing cycle has finished. We are done with our wash. Let's just bring it out and have another look. This is how the top looks now. You can see all the stains are completely gone. Job done. Fantastic, brilliant results. If you'd like to see some more how-to videos from me, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you very much for watching.